Presido Buhari received old classmates as dem come pay am Sallah homage.
Presido
Muhammadu Buhari don do reunion with im old classmates for im hometown Daura for Katsina State. Dis reunion come give the old classmates opportunity to thank God for their lives and come still talk about some memories for their school days. The old classmates wey dey under the Association of 1953 Middle School Intake start with 96 members, but na only 25 still dey alive. Dem come pray for the soul of their members wey don kpai since their last meeting wey happen last year. Senator Abba Ali, wey lead members of the association, come yarn tori pipo say no government don show interest to better the life of common man like Presido Buhari administration.
I can say that in the history of Nigerian politics, there wasn't a government that have shown interest in the development of ordinary people like his own government. I'm proud to say it, and we wish him all the best. His tenure is coming to an end, and we wish him a longer life to enjoy the fruits of what he has sown. What we are hoping is that the next coming government will build up on the foundation he laid down. Right from childhood, he is somebody who is reserved, who is honest and sincere.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.